Me push it in, me should scream more back. Pero, I know believe it.
Oh, shout out my boy Kelvin, man. Spoke to him last week, and you know, always good energy. Please go out there, support his project. He's really doing his thing, man. We spoke about a lot of stuff from Afrobeats to his plans, the music, and all of that. But I have to remind you, attention all Ghanaian moviegoers, I know you're all about the movies, right? It's that time of the year again to be wowed by entertainment in Ghana's #1 cinema franchise, of course, Silverbird Cinemas. This Ember season, catch the best of action, comedy, adventure, romance. I see you smiling. Yes, you watching. I know you love the romance, thrillers, and all of that at their West Hills and Accra Mall branches. Now, they have Expendables 4 coming up, Wonka, Aquaman, and The Lost Kingdom. Can't wait to see that. The Marvels, Paw Patrol, and many other global blockbusters complemented by Ghana's #1. I'm hearing Africa's #1, popcorn. Now, from Hollywood to Nollywood, Bollywood, and authentic Ghanaian content come alive at the Silverbird Cinemas. Now, if you want showing times or any other details like sponsorships or more information, all you have to do is contact any one of these numbers, 0544 310 140 or 059 399-7086, or visit their websites, silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills and silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra. There's a movie for everyone at Silverbird Cinemas. And yeah, with Silverbird Cinemas, it's all about entertainment. Now, I could give all the information, but I have experts here who have more information and the best way to give it. Aubrey, where have you been? That's how I'm going to start this off. Where have you been?
I'm not
even going to lie. And I'm here and Gifty are besties. I apologize, man. Wow. I went to the cinemas and Gifty took so much care of me. You know, when she came in, I was trying to be gentle, not to get so excited. But I said this before she came on air. So she gave me popcorn. She got me a drink. She got me the best seat in the house. The whole cinema was empty.
Waiting man do man.
Oh, man.
Help me understand.
I mean, I could go on and on. Gifty, welcome. Aubrey, sorry. Gifty, welcome. How you doing, darling? You're looking so lovely today.
I hope you had fun the last time.
Yeah, I did. I got to talk to you.
Yeah.
I did.
It was
Aubrey,
nice seeing you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Is everything okay?
I'm fine.
Of course, I have Silverbird in the house. You guys have been up to so much.
Yeah.
And as we've been saying, you know, weeks on an Ember season. Yeah. How's it going so far, man?
I think my favorite thing about the Ember season is the fact that we are going to make sure it's a season you get to remember forever. Aside the excitements that come with the titles week in, week out, we are running certain partnerships. Also super excited about our birthday coming up in November. Currently, we are running a partnership with Black Star International Film Festival. It was launched 2 days ago, actually, and they have exciting content from all around the world. I've seen a few of the titles on the screen. Super excited for what this weekend holds because there will be a concert. We're also going to be having an awards night and all. So we are super excited about that. We have events coming up for our university people, which is tertiary people, and also our high school leavers. So we have a whole lot packed. But for now, it's blockbuster after blockbuster. Currently, we have two of the best Nollywood content you can find globally in our cinemas. A Bag of Trouble and Mami Water. A Bag of Trouble is everything you need just to distress. You want to have the greatest laugh of your life. That is that movie because even if not for anything, it has two of the funniest people on earth currently, Sabinus, and for the other one, when the trailer plays, you get to find out who.
Man, Sabinus alone is a handful. You know, and I'm thinking there's somebody else who's joining in there.
Yes.
But before you guys came on air, I was talking to Gifty about, you know, one thing that I think really brings this Ember season, you guys celebrating together, is the way you treat your customers. And that's something to say. I mean, when it comes to entertainment, you could just pay a ticket and go watch a movie and go home. The way I'm always treated, and fans, you know, since Silverbird has been a part of us, we're always getting these messages. Gifty, I just want to know, why is it so important, right, to treat your customers the way you do, with that care and attention for that period that we see it, we really feel good, just like I felt, and I'm coming there again. Why is that so important to Silverbird Cinemas?
Okay, so with the customers, we are not there without the customers. We are there because of them. So that's why we pay attention to how they feel when they come around. We give them the best that we can get to them. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they really do. Trust me, they do. And in terms of the best, it's the main focus of obviously is the movies.
Yeah.
And you guys haven't missed a beat so far this year.
I think it's not really about the movies for us. It's about the experience.
Okay, the experience.
The experience is more important
okay.
for us. What you come and interact with on our foyer. The fact that you can see pictures. Branded walls. You can take pictures. You know, when it comes to our major premieres, and Aquaman is coming.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you at home, and I'm telling you that we are giving you the best experience. We are going under the sea. We are doing everything Sebastian and Ariel couldn't do in that ocean with Aquaman coming December. We are about to flood.
That day.
We are about to flood the entire Ghana, and it's important to us that you interact with these elements, because yesterday I was telling somebody actually that the cinema is where you experience. At home you get to see, but cinema is where you get to experience. And to boost this experience is where our customer care comes in. We want to understand what it means for you to appreciate a movie on a giant screen, and that is why we always want to improve our services. Currently we have the latest laser projectors in town, because not so long ago people were complaining about our dark screens and all,
and you
we
paid
have
attention
upped
to
the
what
game.
they wanted.
You understand? It's important what feedback is to us. Tell us what you like or don't like, so that we can improve in those areas. We've been here for 15 years. I don't think we've been here because we were stubborn or closed an ear to what customers wanted. We made sure that year in, year out, we improved what our services were, because people were experiencing new things, and we're also growing the brand. The vision and the mission of the brand is to become the #1 entertainment hub for all movie lovers in the country. And we are making sure that we are going to achieve that. I mean, year in, year out, we get closer to it. So until we achieve that holistic phase or goal, we always take back.
I mean,
from
just
what
like you said, right?
experience.
For me, I'm going to say a movie. But one thing about Silverbird, you always reiterate the fact that it's an experience. It's an experience. I just go buy a ticket, get popcorn, and go home. But anyways, it's interesting to see that it's always brought back to the fact that, no, it's not just a movie. It is an experience that you guys are providing. And that's very interesting to see. Again, with the celebrations you have, how we celebrate them, the voucher systems, you know, incorporating these things with the Black
Star International
the Black Star International Film Festival. All these little things, you know, make Silverbird what it is. And the movies coming up are testament, as always, like every single week, these are testaments to the fact that the focus is entertainment and that experience. So what do we have coming up? Please tell me something.
I think last week, Gifty was here to preach about it, Drive Away Dolls. Okay, so this weekend, actually, I would say is a rated R weekend, because we need some content that will shake up our minds and excite us till the end of the year. And those are the titles that are coming in. We have Expendables 4, the man Rambo. Last week, Rambo was trending for a different reason. Rambo the dog was trending.
I saw that.
But this weekend, we are going to have the man Rambo in cinemas. Like she mentioned, it has new faces. It has the best fight scenes you can think about. Anything you want to think about entertainment, this weekend we have it. We have 3 major titles coming in. We have Expendables 4, we have Drive Away Dolls, and we have A Haunting in Venice.
Wow.
Yes. And we have 2 new Nollywood additions. So I think people should I mean, it's like we have a buffet for them. It's a buffet.
Come and enjoy.
Just come in. And this week, actually, we saw. I mean, I saw online somebody suggesting cheap dates, ideas and places.
Please.
And I was like, where is Silverbird?
Who suggested that?
And no. I mean, my biggest question was, where's Silverbird? Because see, with as low as 60 cities, you can actually have the best time of your life at Ghana's #1, with Africa's #1 popcorn. See. All I can say is we have created an environment that is safe for children, very affordable, so your pockets, we are pocket friendly. And for us, everything that concerns us, with you, the customer, is your ultimate entertainment.
No lies detected.
So pass through our West Hills Mall and acquire more
None at all.
branches.
Nice
and
one.
have those experiences.
Yeah,
for
and of
yourself.
course we have the trailers for some of the movies coming up. So enjoy this. Tell us what you think. And yes, Silverbird are showing these movies. These movies are coming up. Enjoy.
Hercule Poirot, I've found something. I've looked at it from every which way. I am the smartest person I ever met, and I can't figure it out, so I came to the second.
You are up to something, my friend.
I've seen a million of these so-called psychics, each one a fake.
I do not believe in psychics.
Come with me to a seance. Spot the con I can't.
Detective, you are here to discredit me, but I can talk to the dead.
I'd give all I have to hear my daughter's voice.
If someone wants to be heard, we are here. Listening.
Mom? Felicia? What is happening?
You can't trap us here. Somebody is dead. No one shall leave this place until I know who did it.
A ghost killed her.
There must be a rational answer for all of this.
Just admit that you are up against something bigger than you.
You were saying?
Something in this house tried to kill me.
Don't look at me like I'm suspect. We're old friends.
Every murderer is somebody's old friend. No one shall leave until I find if the living have been killed by the dead. You have been hiding here all this time.
Who are you talking to?
Hello. Seun. I dey tell you say I don't get money. See the time make I find you small thing. And I want my pomo. Yes, my pomo. Oh, you just don't forget. I will devour you. Me, I dey bad on here. They hustle. I dey do for Canada. I mean, I tell you say that ICYMI kid that they come out. As I did, I a big man. Oh yeah. If I don't get small money, maybe like 200K or 300K, go see the way my brother go pop.
Now me is landlord of this compound. He owe me rent. So, when I be pushing come and be.
Yes.
Great one.
I get one idea. Now that idea go kill you.
Which one? I beg this in hand.
You know the church was gonna handle you 25 crores. When they run up for your body, finish, you get yourself. Mosquito. You are in this shit.
So we have a movie in Venice and one in Nigeria. Crazy weekend coming up. Bag of Trouble, man. We're talking about the production, right? And that's really nice.
It's Nigeria. One thing that excites me about Nigeria is how artists grow themselves beyond what like a particular genre. Like Sabinos, Brother Shaggy to be comedians, but how they are actively part of most of their top blockbusters. It's just beautiful to see. And Nigerians don't play with production. I mean, we've seen their titles on Netflix and all. They don't play with their acting. They don't play with their professionalism. They don't play with it. And everything, like the final product attests to what their vision is. Growing the brand or the Nollywood brand to be one of Africa's most celebrated industries. So, I mean,
Now,
kudos to them.
Gifty, I was saying it must be pretty exciting to see a lot of interest in Ghanaian movies, Nigerian movies, African movies as a whole, right?
Yeah, it is.
It is,
So,
right?
with Bag of Trouble,
Yeah.
if this week you want to release some stress out of work and all that, you can just pass by to have a laugh of your time. You take off a lot of stress from the day's work.
Come and have some fun, man. Come and have some fun with Ghana's #1 popcorn, Africa's.
It's Nkrumah's weekend for us, so everybody troop in Silverbird Cinemas, West Hills Mall, and Accra Mall. First floor of Accra Mall, first floor of West Hills Mall. And we are going to run an activation with MX24, Kind Courtesy Blue Pictures, same studio that released A Bag of Trouble.
Nice.
There's a movie in cinema right now. I mean, Jason has seen it. The Sound of Freedom. It's an important message currently in the world, because I think about 3 weeks ago we had a similar situation in Ghana where a few Nigerians were arrested for trafficking children into the country, and it's a subject that is huge on the lips of a lot of people. We want to understand what truly pushes people into these areas, because we for a minute thought slavery was over, but child trafficking in itself is also a form of slavery, and we want a lot of people to be ambassadors for the campaign. And so we are giving out 200 tickets in the country, and 30 lucky viewers of MX24 would all actually be rewarded to come see this title in cinema, just so we can run a very necessary conversation about child trafficking and how we can actually move together, find that common voice, that common tone to curb it or to shut it down completely.
Any form of abuse should not condone, should not be accepted, you know, no matter the race, the age, the gender, male or female, you know, no form of abuse should be condoned. And again, it's good to see that, you know, whilst we're having fun, entertaining ourselves, we remind ourselves, you know, of the things people are actually going through. Like, we have these conversations bold enough. And I always say we need both ends, you know, of people who think maybe this is right or this is wrong, to have these conversations. It's never good, you know, to tuck these things away into a corner. We have to bring it out there and, you know, help, again, in any way possible, the people that are actually going through these things. And an example is helping or making sure people go and see these movies so word is put out there. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's been an awesome conversation. Oh, I have a shout out to give. Jackie Ifya Ejewa, you told me if I don't wish you a happy birthday, I'm going to be in so much trouble. So big shout out to you. Have a good one. Party, but don't party too much. Any shouts? Any personal shouts? Wow.
Shout out to Nkrumah.
Okay.
And shout out to Ghana's #1 lifestyle customers. Every single customer Silverbird.
Of course. Nice one. Give any shouts.
So if you want to check the movies that are showing now, you can check on our website.
Okay.
www.silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra, and then www.silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills. Yes.
Me, I'm going.
And if you want to make any inquiries, 0544-310-140.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one. Guys, thank you again so much for tuning in. Have a very wonderful afternoon. I'll see you on Friday. Salute.
And I go pull up on you wherever you there. I go down. I know if you leave it down, sure. Be like she give me cold day. Cause it just slow me for days. Oh, wait. Be my woman. What make you be my woman?